Okay guys, here is the brand new DeWalt Jobsite 10-inch table saw. Straight out of the box. Switch is still zip tied. You can see it's brand new. I put it on a table, our dining room table, to see how flat it is. And because I was having an issue with it rocking, but check out this gap here underneath. Watch the other side, in the back corner. Now, this is brand new out of the box. Should I have to fix this frame? Okay, so I took our 10-inch DeWalt Jobsite table saw because it was rocking back and forth on the frame. What I did is I put it upside down on my dining room table to see if the bed was messed up. And it's not, it's fairly flat. But if you sight down from these tubes across, you see the difference? See how that's raked? Okay, so what I've come to find out, see here, we have a round tube with a hole, a round tube with a hole, a round tube with a hole. We're following this down here, and this is the area where it looks low. So you see that damage? So apparently it was painted after it was damaged. Because see how the paint's not scuffed up? Anyway, that appears to be a big dip here, causing the issue with our frame. Now, that also caused our frame to have been bent here. Okay, this is not a true 90. This is, the whole thing is like angled this way, and so is this. This is angled out that way. This is no longer a 90. So this whole frame here was dented in and pushed this way, causing this to be lower, this to be higher in the racking. So this appears to be where our problems stem from.